Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch on Friday, April 28, 2023 on our planet. I hope you're all well this evening. So I'm going to show you one of my tools. I've been using this for quite a few years, and I've seen this pattern happen repeatedly over the past 5 years. This is a satellite service provided by College of DuPont called NextLab Satellite and Radar. Now you can put in your own settings. Right now, I'm on shortwave infrared, and this will pick up heat anomalies, heat signatures. Now, Yellowstone is right here in the corner of Wyoming. The magma reservoir is thought to be below Idaho. Now, every single year, I see this pattern develop. Now, so when North America rotates into the sun-facing solar wind stream at approximately noon, please keep in mind that we have enhanced solar winds from the coronal hole opening. So when this happens, the highly charged particles, we have an increase in the highly charged particles that penetrate the crust and agitate the magma down below. As a result, I will show you. One moment, please. So please pay attention to southeast corner of Washington State, northeast corner of Oregon, crossing the border into Idaho. Now you will see flashes of black. That is the infrared heat signatures. So I will run it automatic, then I'll do it manual for you. So watch this area here. Now you see all those flashes of black. That is actually heat being detected. So let's go through a few. Now, this is all in UTC time. Please keep in mind for the west coast of North America, minus 7 hours. So when this starts up at approximately 1900 hours or 1930 hours is actually 12 noon, 12:30. Let's take a look at another sector. Now this is more blurred. We have some cloud cover, but you can see one, two, three, four, southeast British Columbia, northern Idaho. Now folks, please pay attention to this. So let's switch over to the natural color fire. Again, I've seen this pattern happen so many times, the exact same locations. Watch carefully. Watch for our smoke. All at the same time. So we obviously have some fires starting up in northern Idaho and northwest corner of Montana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the exact same locations I see flare up every single summer, all at the same time. So I'll put my name and reputation on the line. In the next 24 hours, we're going to have some wildfires starting up in all these areas. And then continuing. Now, to my province, British Columbia, we had a series of 4 shallow earthquakes as shallow as 1 kilometer depth. So here is our spread of heat. And again, I see this pattern happen every time. Now let's try and get a wider perspective of what's going on here. So once again, we have the axial seamount. Tsunami buoy going into motion. Minor, but motion nonetheless. Earthquakes, shallow. Uplift of the seafloor. And our heat. So can you try and visualize what's underneath here? So given that we're in extreme drought conditions, we have obvious rise of heat coming out through the crust. Expect and prepare for a wild, devastating wildfire season, folks, please. Now, folks, includes you, Stan, in Idaho and everywhere else. Where are we? End of April? Heads up.